Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Adam, CEO of TurmaFinTech. With me, Bauer, our Chief AI Engineer. And at TurmaFinTech, our mission is to help community banks and credit unions better compete with industry's larger players. We do it using our platform, customer data platform called Redbee. Redbee's main goal is to monetize your data, and what's more important, build a better relationship with your clients. The current issue we see is that banks and credit unions have lots of data, but they don't have tools, expertise, and knowledge on how to turn the data into growth.
So, Redbee is our AI-driven growth platform where the community banks and credit unions can launch their campaigns, send personalized messages, and turn data into real growth. And here's our interface. The user can create a new objective, they can edit the templates, they can view a lot of analytics about the company, and it's a place where you start. And the user can view the campaigns. So let's start with the first scenario.
So the first scenario is a customer churn. As Baujan said, everything starts with the analytics. So let's go to the analytics. As we see, the number of active clients has dropped from 16,000 to 14,800. So how would Redbee help? We go to the new objective. As you can see, we have multiple objectives. We can cross-sell, we can predict defaults, we can bring new clients, we can attract new deposits. In this case, we're going to proceed with the client retention button. So as we can see, our AI model has predicted 2,500 clients at risk of leaving your bank. So we pick this audience. Then we move to the message section. Here, we can pick from pre-built messages, we can customize them, or we can build new messages from the scratch. In this case, because it's a churn problem, we're going to pick push notification, and we're going to pick 10% cashback on all gas stations. So after picking the message, we're moving to the last section. This is where we set the dates for the campaign to run. 1 second.
OK, good. Yep.
So this is the last stage. We want the campaign to run for 1 month. We pick the dates, we launch the campaign. Now, following the campaign results, we can see that the number of clients has risen from 14,800 to 16 back. So the clients have become more active.
OK, but what if we want to bank to grow its revenue from existing clients? Again, we go to analytics section, and we view that the number of clients with checking accounts is growing, but the number of clients with checking account and any other product is declining. It's a clear problem, but it's also an opportunity to cross-sell and upsell. So here in our cross-sell module, we can cross-sell cash loans, mortgages, credit cards, premium debit cards, or literally anything. So we will choose the premium debit card, and we will offer a premium Visa card for the clients with balances more than $10,000. We'll go to the schedule, and we will set the campaign run till end of the month. We will launch the campaign, and again, we will go to the analytics section, and we will see that the number of clients with checking account and any other product is growing steadily.
So we've given you a broad overview of the platform. We showed you a few examples of what it can do. Now let's talk about the most common problem, slowdown in client acquisition. So in the analytics section, we can see that there is a 25% drop in number of client acquisition compared to the previous quarter. So to solve the problem, the marketing manager can go to the new objective, click on Bring New Clients. Now we are prompted to pick the product. It could be cash loan, it could be mortgage, a credit card. We're going to proceed with the mortgage in this case. So after picking the product, we're prompted to pick the platform where we want to promote it. It could be Meta, Google Ads, TikTok. In this case, we're going to proceed with Google Ads. So after picking the platform, we're using API integration. That's where the platform is automatically uploading all your data into your platform of your choice. So following the results of the campaign, we can see that in the first month, the bank was able to attract 520 clients. And over the course of 3 months, it was able to attract 4,470 clients. And it was able to increase deposits by 4.5 million.
OK, excellent. Now let's talk about risk management. In this case, we notice that non-performing loans, NPL, is steadily increasing during Q2. It's a big problem for the bank. And of course, the bank management is worried. What credit risk officer can do? He can go to new objective and predict the defaults. Here, our machine learning model predicts around 2,800 clients at high risk of defaulting. And the user can export this risk list or even start an action right away. So we will start a campaign, and we will choose an SMS and offer restructuring offer to the clients. But of course, it depends on the products and policies of the bank, but we will choose this refinance option. And we will make this campaign run through the whole month of October. So, yep. So the campaign is launched, and again, we go back to the analytics and view that NPL started recovering, which is obviously very good for our organization.
But of course, Red B can do much, much more. At TurmaFinTech, every implementation is unique, because each bank and each credit union have unique strategies, unique objectives, and what's more important, unique problems. So from growing deposits to retaining clients, from cross-selling products to preventing defaults, Red B gives the bank the tools to act instantly, and as long as you can define the problem, we can help you build the solution. And to conclude the presentation, let's take a look at our results following implementation of the Red B platform. We were able to reduce churn by 6%. We were able to reduce customer acquisition costs by 37%. And we were able to increase cross-sell opportunities by 40%. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please visit us at our booth K6.
Thank you.